How to find affiliate products to promote. Hack. Hey there, Kim Wolf here with Affiliate Marketing Informant. So finding new products to promote can be very stressful, especially if you're new and in the beginning of starting your affiliate marketing journey. But it doesn't have to be, because I'm about to show you a hack to find out what's hot in your niche right now. And the cool thing is, this hack works if you are a beginner affiliate marketer and you're looking for your first product to promote, or you're experienced and you're looking for more affiliate products to promote because you want to add more revenue stream, right? Well, before I show you this hack, let's talk about two very important tips to know first. The first tip is to not focus on the affiliate program or network. In the beginning, we normally ask this question, which is, what is the best affiliate program or network? But that is actually the wrong question to ask. The right question to ask is actually allowing you to focus on the product, which is, what is the best affiliate product for my audience? This way allows you to focus on finding the best product to promote to your audience, and then find the affiliate program or network that's attached to that product. Tip number 2. Research the products before you promote. If you have any questions on whether you should recommend the product or not, this is a good rule of thumb to stick with. And it goes like this. If you would not recommend it to your mother, don't recommend it to others. Now, let's get into the fun part. Here's the hack. And if this video ends up helping you out, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified of more videos like these, like this video, and comment below if you have any questions. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Start with your favorite search engine. In my case, it's Google. Come into Google and search for Best Affiliate Marketing Training. Now what I've done is essentially look for the best products that are in my particular niche right now. So one of the most popular kind of products in the make money online / affiliate marketing industry or niche is going to be training. So how to learn how to do affiliate marketing, but how to actually make money from it, essentially how to be successful. So in doing this, what I'm doing is relying on other people's research to find what people are promoting right now. Now the cool thing is this works in any niche, but this example right here applies to my niche. So let me show you how this works. So now that I've actually put in a keyword for a subset of products that are relevant to my audience of Affiliate Marketing Informant, you start actually going through what they have recommended to look for new options. Now this is going to be the start of your research. So just because this particular guy recommends these products, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be the right fit for you. However, this is a way to introduce you to products you may not already know about. So in this particular case, you can see this one blog post has actually given me 14 different ideas that I now can explore their product to see if it's the right fit for my audience. I can buy it, I can try it, and then if that checks out, then yes, I can actually join the affiliate program. So I hope you see the power in this, because this is different than searching for the best affiliate network and trying to find the right product for your audience. You start trying to find the right product, and then you find out what affiliate network it's connected to. Because the reality is that most of the products available to you today are associated to some sort of affiliate network. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So the authority site system, we're going to come into a new window and we're going to actually type in this product and we want to find the website, okay? So I'm going to come here and it says courses, but I'm really just looking for the main website, and this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, do they have an affiliate program? Now my guess is yes, they have an affiliate program, because I know that this particular guy, he is an affiliate marketer. So for him to have these listed, most of them, if not all of them, have affiliate programs, and he is definitely promoting those through an affiliate link. What you're looking for is a reference to the affiliate program. Now, many times you will find the link to the affiliate program in their footer, though I don't see it actually right here, but if we scroll all the way down, let me move this down, you can see here you have this link for affiliates. So if you look at the left-hand screen right now, you're actually going to see the affiliates link. If you click on it, it's going to take you to the affiliate program. And then you can read through the prerequisite and the affiliate application. Now let's try that for one more. Let's do the affiliate lab. So now we're going to do the affiliate lab. We're going to type that into the Google search box. But I'm actually looking for the actual source of the link. So here we go. Click on this. Research this product. Buy the course. I always recommend to buy the course. In some cases, you can actually get review access, which means you don't have to pay for it, but you can still get access to the product. That doesn't happen in every case, but it doesn't hurt to ask, right? So assuming this is a good course and you want to promote it to your audience, you're now looking for the details for the affiliate program, and I don't see it on the bottom here. So here is another tip and trick. So now we're just going to basically take the product name and type in affiliate program. So you're searching for the affiliate program that is associated to that. And there doesn't seem to be any public information about that. So at this point, you could actually reach out to the product creator here and ask him if he has an affiliate program. Now be advised that a lot of cases, the prerequisite is to actually buy the product and become a student yourself, go through the product. I'm noticing more product creators actually doing that so that they get better reviews and better quality recommendations because the affiliate actually used the product. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, that works great for the affiliate marketing or the make money online niche. But what about my niche? So let me show you another example. In this case, we're going to do a completely different niche. Let's start with best diabetes prevention products. And instantly what you're going to notice are supplements are really hot. Now you want to watch for these dates. So I said what's hot right now. So anything in 2018, 2019, since this video is being made in 2021, that is not current. So another way you can actually get the current year is to add your year and then bam. Notice here you have the best blood sugar pills 2021. Top diabetes support. So this seems to be a supplement for diabetes. And then you do the same thing. You can actually click on the list, look at the recommendations that are in this list. So in this particular example, you've got almost 15 here. These are all different products. So let's take this top one and we're going to search for it in Google. And let's see if they have an affiliate program. So here is the site of the actual supplement. So once again, just because you're researching this doesn't mean you're going to recommend it. It is highly recommended to research this, especially when you are messing with people's health, because if you give them a bad recommendation, they will never forgive you. But we are looking for an affiliate program, so scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see right here, you've got a link for affiliates. Click on that. And it's going to take you to the affiliate information page. So that is it. You can do that for hours and hours and days and days. And hopefully you can see how easy it is to actually leverage the research of others to find out what's hot in your niche right now, and that you can do that for any niche, and you can do that for so many different things inside of your niche. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.